Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. In this section, we are going to see about set and reset concept in CX Programmer. So, what is this set and reset? In our previous session, we have seen latching and unlatching concept, right? So, for all latching, we have to latch a contact in parallel to the input, right? I hope you have remembered the example we have seen. So, I'll show you one more time. So, I'm taking one push button and naming that as 0.00, and I have one output here. Let's name that as 100.0. So I'm connecting these two, and to latch this I have a parallel contact here. So I'm naming that as 100.0. So what will happen if I press this? It will make a contact. If I release, it will be still in on condition through this route. Correct. So this is what latching is, right? So imagine you are having a big project, and in that project you have multiple latching concept. Okay, so for everything you have to connect a parallel contact to this, and again you have to put an unlatch contact to turn off that particular output. So this is bit complex, right? So to reduce this complex, we have a separate block for this, and that is called as set. So latching you can also do with the set concept also, and unlatching can be do with reset concept. So set is like once you have set it, it will be in on condition until you reset it, right? So let's see how to do that. So I'm going to take one more. Let's take the same 0.00 and name that as one of the push button. So now I'm going to turn on a motor using a set coil, right? So how I'm going to use, get the set coil means take a block. So there is a new PLC instruction and the shortcut is I. Suppose after keeping here you press I. It will take you to the instruction list. So from this, whatever you want, you can choose. So I'll go with the option here, click on that, and now you need to get the set instruction. So go for details. If you don't know the keyword for reset or the particular number for the reset, you can go for the details and get find instruction. So in the find instruction, go to sequence output, and there you can find set over here, set. So click on that and click OK. And it is asking for the operand. So which one you want to set? Which output you want to set? That address you have to give here. So just type, you are going to set one of the coil called 100.1. So just click OK. So now what is happening here is, we are going to set a coil named 100.01. See, instead of latching, instead of putting one parallel contact here, you can make use of this set instructions to set a coil. So let's go for simulation. I'm going to turn on this. So see, 100.001 is on, 100.01 is on. So if you turn off, it's still in on condition. It's same as this latching, right? Now how to turn off this? You can make use of a reset coil. So whenever you are introducing a set coil, you have to reset it someplace. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this input, 10.01. Let's name this as PB2. And take the same block and type RS reset. So if you don't know what have to type for reset means, same you can go for detail, find instruction, sequence output, and there you can find the reset or SET, right? And here also which coil you want to reset. So this I have set it no, so I'm going to use the same address 100.01, and I'm going to reset that. So just connect with horizontal lines. Done. So let's go for simulation. So I'm going to turn on this. My output is on. See, 100.01 is on. Here also it will turn on because both are same address, no? That's what. And you can turn off. See, still it is in on condition. So once the purpose of 100.01 is done, you have to reset it, no? So I'm using one more coil, one more contact to reset it. That's it. See, it's off. I'm turning off this. That's it. I'll repeat. You're going to set it. It turns 1. Can you see the status of 100.01? It's 1. Turn off this and turn on the reset coil to reset the 100.01 output. That's it. So this is set and reset instruction, and we have plenty of applications for set and reset. So it will reduce your ladder size. The size of the program can be reduced with the help of such instructions. So I hope you have understood set and reset concept. So I'll meet you in the next session. Before that, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.